It's also illegal to film a federal officer, so you need to put your phone
It's
away.
illegal to film a federal officer. Do you think that's the case?
Might be, yeah.
Do you think so?
Sure.
Really?
I do not consent personally to being recorded, just so you're aware.
I'll take that into consideration.
Go ahead and turn around. Put the phone on the truck, please.
Do you know why he was handcuffed?
Because they didn't leave when they were told to.
Okay.
Interesting.
Well, I'm not leaving. I'm gonna stay right here. Get your little ticket book out if you want, but
You'll take the hatch pockets, please.
I'm okay.
You can take that hatch pockets.
I'm okay. So I'm conducting an investigation.
Sure you can.
A lawful investigation.
It's very lawful.
And you right now are obstructing that investigation, sir.
I'm obstructing your investigation.
That's correct. You have a Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate yourself, so you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
You can keep your hatch pockets, sir.
Put my hand wherever I want. You don't tell me what to do. I just told you you have no jurisdiction over me. You don't tell me what to do. I don't like citizens' their constitutional rights being abused.
Sure.
You took an oath to uphold the United States Constitution, did you not?
I did.
From both enemies, foreign and domestic, right?
Correct.
Should take that seriously.
What's your goal of this investigation?
Hey, what's up guys? Long Island Audit here, back again with another video. Today we're at the Naval Air Station here in Corpus Christi, Texas. But we're here today not only to peacefully exercise our rights, we are here today because a supporter of mine had reached out to me via email and told me he is an amateur federally licensed radio operator. He was testing some equipment right over here, and security forces from inside the base came out, detained him, told him that it was illegal to record federal officers. They came out, handcuffed him, detained him for 45 minutes, arrested him, and cited him with criminal trespass.
I'm going to talk to you. You refuse to identify yourself. It's also illegal to film a federal officer, so you need to put your phone away.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Put your phone away, please.
No, I'm not your underling, man.
I'm sorry?
I'm not your underling. Right? I don't take those orders.
Okay. Go ahead and turn around. Put the phone on the truck, please.
Okay.
Put the phone on the truck.
So I came out here today to investigate and make sure that they are not violating the Constitution and unlawfully detaining free men and women out here in public. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so it looks like law enforcement officers are coming up to the gate. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 Federal Navy police officers here at the gate. This officer looks like the one from the video. Hey, what's going on? Hey, you look familiar. I think I've seen you somewhere. Yeah, you look familiar. I saw you on a video, I think. Yeah.
How may we help you?
I don't need any help. Who are you?
I'm Sergeant Johns. Who are you?
Sergeant Johns?
Yes, sir.
And your name?
Seaman Thrapp.
Seaman Thrapp?
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name, sir?
I didn't give it, sir.
Okay. Why not?
I just don't want to. I saw a video of you. I know I saw a video of you. It was either you or your twin. I'm pretty sure I saw a video of you. I think you were with that guy, weren't you? What's that guy's name? In the black.
He didn't give it to you.
I'm sorry?
He didn't give it to you. What are you here for?
You're right, you didn't give it to me. You're right. You're right.
What are you here for?
Well, I'm investigating
Investigating what?
you right now.
Okay.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Ah, he's telling him. Hey, sir, come here. Come here. Hey,
Excuse me, sir.
you.
Excuse me, sir.
You, come here.
Excuse me, sir. You're not running anything right now, okay?
Excuse me?
You're not running anything right now, okay?
Neither are you.
Just calm down.
You're not. I'm just talking. You're not running anything. I'm not in the Navy, man.
Right now, you're on federal property, sir.
Oh, I'm not in a restricted area.
That's exactly what you're on.
No, I'm not. There's the sign there. It says restricted beyond this point.
There's a sign right here.
Does that say restricted?
We're here with the
Let's
Naval
make sure.
Security Forces.
Does that say restricted area?
The Naval Security Forces.
Okay.
All right.
Hey, officer, come here. I want to talk to you. So there's that's the guy right there. Excuse me, come here. I want to talk to you about something. Excuse me, sir. Can you come here? I want to talk to you about something. No, not you. You. I want to talk to you about something.
What do you want to talk to me about?
Can you come here so I can talk to you?
You're on government property right now.
Am I? Oh, you were the officer that said that you can't film federal law enforcement officers, right? That was you, right? You're the one who unlawfully detained and put handcuffs on a man for no reason, right? Oh, you're gonna run away? Come on, don't run away. Are you that ignorant of?
The video opens in immediate conflict, with officers asserting questionable authority and the filmer pushing back on constitutional grounds. From the first seconds, the tension is clear. Claims about filming being illegal, commands being issued, and resistance rooted in rights rather than compliance. This intro instantly frames the core issue, whether authority is being exercised lawfully or arbitrarily, and pulls the viewer straight into a confrontation where confidence, misunderstanding of the law, and power collide without any warm-up.
Law and the Constitution? Come on, man. Why would it be illegal?
The First Amendment auditor.
I saw a video with both of you in it. You guys weren't in it, though. I didn't see you guys. Why are you guys coming out here for?
Being very suspicious, sir.
Suspicious? I don't think so. Suspicious is subjective.
No one said you couldn't report this. But you show up report the property right now. That requires us to investigate.
That requires you to investigate because I'm recording the property. I just want to make sure I hear you. That's it. And get clarity on what you guys are. Hey, sir, you mind if I get your name?
Why do you need my name?
Just because you're here. That's all.
God. It's MASN Hornbuckle.
Warmon?
Hornbuckle.
Hornbucker?
Hornbuckle.
Hornbuckle.
So
Can you come?
What exactly are you here for again?
Huh? I told you I'm investigating. I'm investigating that law enforcement officer right there.
Okay. Because
If you want to go get him, he committed violations of the Constitution. Excuse me?
we're gonna stay right here with you for now.
You're gonna stay over here?
Yes, sir.
Go bring him over here.
Yes, sir. That's not what I said.
But why can't you bring him over here?
Because I didn't say I was going to. I said we're gonna stay right here with you for now.
Okay, that's fine. You could do that.
That's what I said.
That's fine. You could do that, sir. I'm not a threat to any of you or your base or anything like that. There's no need to be
No
scared.
one said you were a threat. No one said
I mean, you said I was suspicious.
yeah, suspicious, not a threat.
Suspicious, not a threat.
Yeah, certainly
So
not.
what about me is suspicious?
That you're out here recording a federal installation, federal property for no reason.
I just told you I'm conducting an investigation. Excuse me, sir. Can you please come here? Excuse me, can you please come here? Why are you so scared to come here? You have two armed security personnel here.
We're all armed, sir.
Okay, so that should be less reason why he wouldn't come over here and talk to me. I just told you I'm conducting an investigation.
On behalf of what? On behalf of who?
I can't give you those details. I'm conducting an investigation,
Sure you can.
a lawful investigation,
It's very lawful.
and you right now are obstructing that investigation, sir.
I'm obstructing your investigation.
That's correct.
On behalf of who?
I can't divulge that. I'm telling you, you're obstructing my investigation
Okay.
into a constitutional rights violation
Sure.
by that law enforcement officer right there. Come here. And the video I saw, you were so tough. You put somebody in handcuffs, and now you don't want to do anything. Come on, man.
That doesn't make him tough. It make him doing his job.
That's not doing his job. Putting handcuffs on people that innocent residents of the state of Texas. Innocent citizens of the United States of America. You have no jurisdiction over citizens.
No.
Right. I understand that.
Sure.
So, but he put handcuffs. I saw a video. Would you like to watch it?
No, I'm fine. You can keep your hand out your pocket, sir.
No, I'll put my hand wherever I want. You don't tell me what to do. I just told you you have no jurisdiction over me. You don't tell me what to do.
That's exactly what I have.
What?
That's exactly what I have.
You have jurisdiction over me?
I have jurisdiction over this area.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Not where I'm at.
Sure.
No, you do not. Not where I'm standing, you don't. I'm on state property.
Sure.
Here, I'll show you the video
I'm fine, sir.
from my investigation that you're currently obstructing, sir. I mean, I just want to have a conversation with him and get inside of the story from my investigation, sir.
Sure.
I don't like citizens being abused, their constitutional rights being abused.
Sure.
You took an oath to uphold the United States Constitution, did you not?
I did.
From both enemies, foreign and domestic, right?
Correct.
Should take that seriously. It's not just words that you're repeating. You should take it very seriously.
So let me get this straight. You saw a video of who you think was the gentleman behind me, right?
I saw a video. What'd you say?
I said you saw a video of
Here, The narrator steps back to establish context, explaining why this location and encounter matter. A prior incident involving a radio operator, handcuffs, and a trespass citation sets the stakes. This segment transforms the video from a random confrontation into a purpose-driven investigation. The calm explanation contrasts sharply with the aggression seen earlier, reinforcing that this isn't about provocation, but about examining whether federal officers crossed constitutional lines in a public space.
The gentleman that you think is behind me.
Right.
Okay.
Both of them.
And you're here investigating.
I'm conducting an investigation into their unlawful actions.
What's your goal of this investigation?
To bring them to justice.
And how do you plan on doing that? Who are you?
I told you I'm not divulging who I am to you. You have no right to know who I am.
Who are you going to investigate? Who are you to bring justice?
Those are those officers, right?
Sure.
Those are those officers, correct? Sure. Okay. That's that officer over here.
I'm good with the videos.
I'm showing you the video. And that's that other officer with the beard. Those two officers right there. That's why I need to speak to them, because I'm conducting an investigation, which you're obstructing right now.
An investigation on behalf
Into those individuals.
on behalf of who?
I just told you I'm not going to divulge who I'm conducting an investigation for or what power I have to conduct that investigation. I'm conducting an investigation, a lawful investigation that you are currently obstructing.
You know, lawful investigations are usually conducted by law enforcement personnel.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Did you know that?
I mean, are you law enforcement?
That's exactly right.
You're law enforcement?
That's exactly right.
But you're law enforcement behind that fence, though.
I'm law enforcement behind that fence.
What fence is that?
You drove past
What
a
fence
sign,
is that?
Or you walk past a sign that say you are now entering federal property, and that this governs the property line.
Right.
I want you to know you drove past that sign or you walked. I don't care.
It doesn't matter. So you think you have jurisdiction over me?
That's exactly what I have, sir.
You have jurisdiction over me? That's what you think, really?
Sure.
I don't think so. I don't think you have any jurisdiction outside of this line right here.
But you just said it was the fence. Now it's that line.
Well, no. Let me clarify. I did not say that. I said that this is not a restricted area. You said you're in a restricted area. Let's listen. If you're going to be a law enforcement officer, you have to pay attention to the details. Details are important. Details are important. Details are important. You said I was in a restricted area. And I said behind the fence is a restricted area where it says no trespassing. I agree that this is what's called a demarcation line. Did you know that?
Isn't that your vehicle right there?
What vehicle? I don't know.
You got any ID on you?
Do I have any ID? Let me see.
You got some cars in the back of that phone, correct?
Oh, yeah. Pull it out for you. That's no ID.
Am I flipping it over?
Huh?
Am I flipping it over?
Flipping it over? No, I can't do that. Can't do that. Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Can I see it?
No.
Well, I guess that's what we're gonna do. U.S. Navy Police. So are you U.S. Navy Police?
Correct.
So why are you dressed differently then?
Why am I dressed differently?
Yeah.
Because I'm enlisted military personnel. There's
They're civilians and you're enlisted military personnel. I didn't know that. Alright. I don't know everything, man. I'm trying to learn. I know this is called the demarcation line, though.
Sure.
You knew that?
Sure.
Yeah. Thanks for checking up that I have my ID. I appreciate that.
Yeah, of course.
I didn't know if I had it on me or not.
You can take that hand out your pockets, please.
I'm okay.
You can take that hand out your pockets.
I'm okay. Listen,
I
man,
need to
you're
be able
not.
to see your hands.
For what? I'm not a threat to you. I have no weapons. I have nothing. I'm not a threat to you.
Okay.
That's like me telling you to take off your gun because you're a threat to me. I mean, it's ridiculous.
No.
It's ridiculous. Especially you have no authority over me. You have no jurisdiction over me, sir. You have none.
Sure.
Listen, my personal investigation isn't into you. I told you, it's into those civilian law enforcement officers for the U.S.
I'm
Navy.
just here doing my job.
But what's your job?
Space.
To protect it? I'm not a threat to it. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm not. Do you have any other sort of suspicion that I'd be a threat to the base?
Well, yeah.
Why?
I mean, I can tell you the first step to planning terrorism is planning and surveillance. I can tell you how much this is.
Surveillance is the first step in terrorism.
You know that even.
Well, Well, I don't work. I'm not in the military. I don't know.
Right, you're not law enforcement.
No, I'm not law enforcement. No, I'm not law enforcement. But I'm conducting a lawful investigation right now. Yeah. I can show you some credentials.
No,
All
I'm fine, thank you.
right. So how long do you plan on until somebody tells you to leave?
Don't worry about that.
Like your commander or something?
Don't worry about that.
But why are you being so aggressive for?
I'm actually
I mean, you're being kind of like, I don't know. So I mean, not to worry about it. I mean, you're a public servant, right? Like I said, you took an oath to uphold my rights and every citizen's rights from both, protect them and uphold them from both enemies, foreign and domestic.
I'm just doing my job, sir.
But your job is not to violate my rights or to allow other people to violate your rights. I mean, not yet.
Rights.
Not yet.
You didn't say he was violating your rights.
I got video evidence. I showed you the video evidence of those two officers violating someone's.
As multiple officers arrive, the encounter escalates from discussion to intimidation. Identity demands, assertions of restricted areas, and conflicting interpretations of signage create confusion that favors authority. The dynamic becomes less about facts and more about control. This portion shows how quickly a situation can intensify when officers outnumber a civilian, even when no crime is alleged, highlighting the imbalance of power and the fragility of rights during on-the-spot enforcement decisions.
Constitutional rights and unlawfully detaining them.
Sure.
Unlawfully. For standing right where I'm standing.
So,
But yet I'm not going in handcuffs.
I don't think you know what the word detain means.
Oh, no, detain, arrest. It's all very similar. It is. An arrest is basically a detain. A detainment is basically an arrest. It is.
It's not.
When you're not free to go. What is that?
It's a restriction. It's not an arrest. It's not apprehension.
So do they teach you like law enforcement tactics here? So they teach you when you can detain people or not? I mean, it's probably different for you. You normally, your jurisdiction is over people enlisted into the Navy.
That's not what it is.
It is. Your jurisdiction is not over civilians.
Sure it is.
It's not. I mean, it's not. You literally have zero jurisdiction over me right now, sir. I'm telling you. You should probably know that if you're going to be enforcing the law or Navy codes or whatever you're going to enforce.
I'm not going to explain to you UCMJ articles and how I have jurisdiction.
I know those UCMJ articles don't apply to me. That's all I know. They do not apply to me. What does apply to me is the United States Constitution.
Sure.
They were so quick to violate another citizen's rights and put them in handcuffs and arrest them and cite them. And I seen the video.
The individual never got arrested.
Excuse me?
The individual never got arrested.
Well, he was cited. That's an arrest. It's a de facto arrest. It is a de facto arrest. He has to go to court. He was cited.
He has to pay a ticket.
He has to pay a ticket. Okay. I mean, he was put in handcuffs, wasn't he?
Funny enough, we were actually here when this happened. So.
Oh, you were? You weren't on the video. So you participated in the constitutional rights violation
We were
then?
the ones that called him out there.
Oh, you were the ones that called for a man out here? All right. So you're complicit. So you're part of the investigation now. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know you're part of it. I had no idea. So see, this is why communication's important and investigations are important, because I would have never known that you were part of it because you weren't part of the video.
You didn't have to know. We're here.
Yeah. Well, no, I appreciate you letting me know. So when do you go back in behind the fence where you belong?
So I understand.
Don't you think it's kind of like less secure now that you open the gate? I mean,
We're all here to cover it.
it seems
That's what your concern is.
it seems less secure to me right now than it was 20 minutes ago.
Did you want it to be less secure?
That's not my
No,
objective.
That's what I thought. That's right.
I don't want anything less secure. So you thought that was lawful, citing that individual that you called the civilian Navy police on?
Yes.
You believe it's lawful?
Do you know what he got cited for? Of course not.
I believe he got cited for trespass.
Okay.
Right. So did he go past the no trespassing sign?
I'm sorry.
Did he go past the no trespassing sign?
You mean the sign that you drove past on the way up here? You mean the sign that introduced?
Does it say no trespassing?
The sign that you drove past?
Does it say no trespassing?
Of course not.
Oh, okay.
Most people have calls.
So you understand that trespassing, you need notice that you're trespassing, right? You need to know you're in a restricted
You
area.
need notice that you're entering federal area.
No. You know how many people drove up to this gate today?
Sure.
A lot.
You mean all the ones that also left?
But the one that recorded you, the one that recorded the civilian officers, that's the one that was cited, right?
Because they didn't leave when they were told to.
Okay.
Interesting.
Well, I'm not leaving. I'm gonna stay right here.
Great.
So you can get your little ticket book out if you want, but
I'm not getting anything out.
okay. Oh yeah, because you don't have jurisdiction, right? I got that. Got it. So do you know the purpose of a demarcation line? It's meant to separate what is federal property and what isn't. So everything over here is not federal property. Okay. So why would you have a sign that says you're entering federal property where it's not? And then cite somebody for trespassing on federal property when they weren't?
I don't have to explain it to you.
You don't, but you should. If you were honorable, you would.
Sure.
You would say, we made a mistake and we're sorry that we did that.
Compound, you got a walker.
You took your oath to the Constitution seriously.
Hop on copy.
You would apologize to the man and keep him moving.
I don't see it here. I don't see a reason for apologizing.
You don't see a reason for apologizing.
I apologize to you.
I mean, you haven't done anything to me. Other than give me unlawful orders, take my hand out of my pocket, which I refused, or, you know, that's basically an ID that I didn't give to you. You haven't done anything illegal yet.
Sure.
So did you help them put the handcuffs on?
No, sir.
You didn't? Do you know why he was handcuffed?
I do.
Why?
Do I need to say that?
You don't need to answer that? Right, you have a Fifth Amendment right not to incriminate yourself, so that is true. That is true. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney.
Thank you for reading my civilian
If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you.
The argument shifts into legal territory, centering on jurisdiction and the claim of a lawful investigation. Officers accuse obstruction while struggling to articulate their authority over a civilian on contested ground. The discussion about fences, lines, and restricted areas exposes uncertainty within enforcement itself. This segment is crucial because it shows how vague boundaries and inconsistent explanations can be used to justify continued detention, even when the legal basis appears shaky.
A lot of people get that mixed up. You know, when somebody's getting arrested, you don't need to read them their rights. No, you don't. No, you don't. I think you guys, it does not become an unlawful arrest. See, this is why you guys need better training, man. I do trainings at law enforcement agencies across the country. I can come there and do some trainings for you. And district attorney's offices. Yeah, you don't, that's usually, you probably got that from like Law and Order or something like that, where you think that you put the handcuffs on, you're like, you have the right to remain silent. Everything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. That's not how it really works, though. You only need to be read your Miranda rights before questioning. Yeah. Because it has to do with like speaking to the cops. It's not like an arrest thing where you automatically have to read them. And it doesn't become an unlawful arrest just because you don't read them. It's a common misconception. I'm not going to blame you for not knowing, but it's a common misconception by civilians. I mean, as a law enforcement officer, you probably know that, but then again, you don't arrest civilians, so makes sense why you wouldn't know.
So, what did you kind of get out of this again? You're trying to like.
I told you, I don't know how much time I have to tell you. I'll tell you one more time. I am conducting a lawful investigation into the officers behind you, and now since you implicated yourself in the unlawful citation and detention of a citizen, now you are also under investigation.
Because you think you can understand.
Because you cannot, yes, because I know that you cannot handcuff people for exercising a First Amendment right and being on public property.
Sure.
I know you can't do that. Okay. I'm not a lawyer, though. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a law enforcement officer.
You said you had credentials.
Oh, yeah, I do have credentials. I do. But I'm not a law enforcement officer. And I'm not a lawyer. I just know basic law. I mean, somebody's on public property like I am right now. You can't just handcuff me.
Sure.
That would be called an unlawful detention, a violation of what amendment? Which one?
I'm sorry?
Which an unlawful detention is a violation of which amendment?
I don't need to explain the amendments.
The Fourth Amendment.
Sure, yeah.
The Fourth Amendment. And then doing so because I believe that officer, what did he say? He said something about it's unlawful to record a federal officer. Let me see if I can. Let's see what he said.
I'm not your underling, man.
I'm sorry?
I'm not your underling. Right? I don't take those orders.
Okay. Go ahead and turn around. Put the phone on the truck, please.
Wait, there's an important part.
A federal officer, so I'm going to talk to you. You refuse to identify yourself.
Interesting. Hey, do you still think it's illegal to record a federal officer? I have the video right here, if you want to take a look at it. That's you, right? On the video?
It's also illegal to film.
A federal officer, right? I'm filming you right now.
Yeah, right.
How come you're not putting me in handcuffs? Oh, because you were wrong.
What is it?
You got to get a better education, man. Come here, let me talk to you for a minute. I want you to identify yourself. Why are you so scared? You're being a coward. You know that, right? You're hiding behind your security personnel here who have no jurisdiction over me, and apparently it's illegal. So you really think it's illegal to film a federal officer? You think that?
That's not a answer.
Do you think it's illegal to film a federal officer?
I ain't got that answer for you, sir.
You don't got the answer? All right, man. That's cool. You don't have the answer. It's simple First Amendment stuff, man. You have the right to record law enforcement in the course of their duty. That's what I mean. I don't say that. That's what federal courts say. This is why I do these investigations, so that way I can bring people to justice. You know? Because those two civilian law enforcement officers for the Navy handcuffed a man unlawfully, and no one would have cared. Not the local media, not the national media, not you. Obviously, you don't care. You're a part of the reason why he was handcuffed. Even though you swore an oath to uphold his constitutional rights, both enemies, foreign and domestic, and you just don't care. That's obvious. They don't care. They took oaths as well. It's important. You gotta disobey unlawful orders. You know that, right? You know that, right? It's your obligation to. So if your commander was like, go beat this guy up, would you beat me up? Scary business. Scary business. I think you would. I believe the individual did say that you had a polite, cordial conversation with him. He did tell me that. I believe so. Hold on. Let's see. I believe in his statement for me to start my investigation. 2 additional. No. NAS police officers stopped me and observed me. He was within the secured perimeter. I approached the perimeter fence to explain my activity. The initial interaction was cordial. Was that you, cordial? All right, that's probably you. You seem like a cordial guy. The initial interaction was cordial. The matter was then escalated to a supervisor and I was told to leave. I disengaged and returned across the street to my vehicle and went about my business. Shortly thereafter, 2 additional So he went to his car that was parked over here, right? Definitely on public property. And these 2 tyrants came out, went on public property. Let's keep reading. Shortly thereafter, 2 additional NAS police officers exited the secure area and ordered me to step away from my vehicle and demanded identification. Sounds like something you did. And again, ordered me to leave. I stated that I was in a publicly accessible area and was not violating any law, and I did not believe I was required to leave or provide identification. As the situation escalated, I ceased answering questions and began recording with my cell phone, noting that the officer were not wearing body cameras. An officer then stated that it was illegal to record a federal employee and ordered me to stop recording. I refused. I was immediately arrested, handcuffed, and detained for approximately 30 to 45 minutes until the Corpus Christi Police Departments arrived. I was subsequently released and issued a federal criminal trespass from a publicly accessible roadway and a $230 fine. $230? I believe these events raise serious concerns regarding unlawful detention, retaliation for protected activity. I mean, that's what it sounds like to me. It sounds like First Amendment retaliation and a Fourth Amendment violation. But again, not an attorney. In violation of my First and Fourth Amendment rights, I'm not.
This is the most revealing section where ID demands, terrorism justifications, and detention definitions are debated in real time. Officers reference security threats while the civilian counters with constitutional protections. Miranda rights, arrests versus detentions, and jurisdiction over civilians are all muddled together. The length matters here because the contradictions stack up, painting a picture of authority leaning on fear-based reasoning rather than clear, lawful justification for restricting someone's freedom.
An investigator, troublemaker, nor do I seek any rise from people. I was merely working on an antenna I built, enjoying my day. This feels like that since I don't kiss the boot, my rights were violated, freedom denied, and now I'm being shook down. What advice can you give me? Does that make you feel good that somebody wrote that because of your actions? Come on, man. $230, handcuffed for 30 to 45 minutes because of your actions, because he didn't want to leave his car. Hey, stop being a coward and come here. I want to talk to you. Why'd you handcuff an innocent civilian? Come here right now. I want to talk to you. Be a man. Come on. Come over here.
One eternity later.
So we have another security forces officer here. How you doing? Good? What's your name? They gave me their names.
I don't have to give you my name.
You don't? Okay. Why are you here? Are you trying to intimidate me? Okay, good. I don't know. It just seems like 2 of them was enough. Let's see if you have any identifying numbers on you. So hand sanitizer. Sergeant Master at Arms. Are you the supervisor? Okay.
I also do not consent to being recorded, just so you're aware.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I do not consent personally to being recorded, just so you're aware.
You do not consent to be recorded.
Yes.
I'll take that. Okay, I'll take that into consideration. Do you think you have like a right not to be recorded?
Hey guys.
Hey, come on, let me talk to you for a minute. Why are you violating people's constitutional rights? Come here. You're a coward, you know that? You were tough with the man, but guess what? You were scared today, weren't you? You're a coward. You put handcuffs on an innocent man, and now you run away. This is the walk of shame by the Navy police and security forces here, ladies and gentlemen. You think it's funny, huh? You're a coward, you know that? You're a coward. I'm recording you, and you said it was illegal. You better dismiss that ticket against that poor man. Put him in handcuffs for 45 minutes for no reason. A bunch of cowards, ladies and gentlemen. Well, hopefully the radio operator can use this video of me recording. He was even farther away than I was. That video took place over there where the cars are parked, because there's a car parked down here, as you can see. So that video they came off of base, followed him to his vehicle, told him to identify himself, even though he has committed no crime. And then when he went to record them, which he wasn't even doing at first, when he went to record them, he told them, this law enforcement officer here said it is illegal to record a federal officer. Like, where are they getting their education or lack thereof? It's absolutely ridiculous. So I had to come down here and educate them and get some video evidence for one of my supporters, a Texas resident, a law-abiding citizen who had his constitutional rights, his First and Fourth Amendment rights violated, placed in handcuffs for 45 minutes. They're cowards. They're cowards. They all took oaths to uphold the United States Constitution, and yet they don't. From both enemies, foreign and domestic, and they are the domestic enemies by violating a man's constitutional rights. It's absolutely ridiculous. So we're going to be filing complaints. On behalf of the individual, I'm going to be coordinating with him. Hopefully he can get that criminal citation dismissed, especially using this video as evidence. This was well worth the flight and long drive over here to Corpus Christi, Texas. I'm so happy I did it because I get to expose more tyrants to the world and be able to stand up for people whose rights were violated. But let me know your thoughts on this one in the comment section below. As always, stay safe. God bless. I'll see you in the next one. Long Island Audit. Peace.
The final stretch brings receipts. A written statement from the detained radio operator is read aloud, detailing handcuffing, prolonged detention, and a fine issued on public property. Officers retreat from engagement as accountability looms, leaving the confrontation unresolved but documented. The video closes with a firm summary and intent to pursue complaints, reinforcing why recording matters. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.